The story I'm going to tell you today is the story of a girl who used to get very angry. When she got angry, she would pick up household items and start throwing them away. She would shout at her parents and pull out her hairs. His mother was very upset because of his anger. One day, she thought I should talk to her tuition teacher because the tuition teacher was the only teacher she could hear. When the mother approached the teacher and she told him to that she was very upset, and I'm very upset because of this. The teacher assured her mother that a few days all her anger will go away. She was surprised but believed. When the girl went to study with the teacher the next day, the teacher told the girl that from today will not grow but will play a game. The girl was very happy. The teacher took the girl in front of a wall behind the school and told that when even if you get angry, you will come here and find pay. The girl said all right. Whenever the girl got angry, she would come from her house and drive a nail into the wall. The first day 10 nails were applied, the next day 6, and then one day it happened when no applied the nail as much as the girl thought in time. I put it my mouth. I can work less than that you get rid of my inner anger. So I went to my teacher and she said that I finished the game. Now I do not get angry. She came to the wall with him and said no, the game is not over yet. Now on the day when you don't get angry, you will pull out a nail. The girl started doing things that did not make her angry all day. Then she would pull out one. And then one day happened that when there was not a single nail in this wall. The teacher came to the wall with her student, and when she saw that there was a nothing nail on the wall, she told the girl that you finished the game. He gave her his favorite chocolate, and the girl was very happy that she had won. So this teacher said that you can see something in the wall. The girl said that I can see sports holes in the wall. Then the teacher said, in the same way, when you are angry with people, with your parents, with your friends, the same holes remain in their days. Apologize as much as you want, but you cannot close these holes. If you want to do it, it will take a lot of work and a lot of time. The girl realized her mistake. She swore not to get angry again. I hope you benefit from the story. Will give.